All right, so after you have done the twill and the tabby weave, I instruct my students to continue weaving until they're about 3/4 of the way up the loom. But from here, I let them make their own design choices. They can choose to do this one or this one, solid colors, mix the colors with this, small stripes, big stripes, whatever they want. The only other thing I wanted to demonstrate is that when we are starting a new tabby weave on top of the first one, some people need a little clarification. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go underneath that first warp string with the weft string. Okay, I'm going to cross them over like that, push the tail through, right, and this time it's worked out my side that I'm weaving with is on the correct side. I am also going to use the tapestry needle. Okay, so this is the tapestry needle. Very handy for students and people. Okay, I'm going to thread that in. I just hold it like this, but you can also tie a simple knot. So again, cross it over, make that loop, push the tail in from behind and secure it lightly. Okay, so when you're starting a new tabby weave, it is important to look at the previous row. Okay, so there's my previous row. And you have to look at the second string and ask yourself if it's under or over. So in this case, mine is under. So it means I need to start this one over, because remember the pattern not only goes over and under this way, but also this way. All right, so I'm going to go over the second one and under from there. Okay, bubbling and pushing down.